Aston Martin. The name itself conjures up images of sleek, powerful machines gliding effortlessly through picturesque landscapes. It whispers of a world of sophistication, of refined taste, and of a passion for automotive excellence. Aston Martin is not just a car company, it's a British institution. It's a symbol of luxury, performance, and timeless design. For over a century, Aston Martin has been crafting some of the world's most desirable automobiles, captivating hearts and turning heads wherever they roam. From the silver screen to the open road, Aston Martins have left an undeniable mark on automotive history and popular culture. Their cars are more than just machines, they are statements, embodiments of a dream, and a testament to British engineering prowess. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or simply appreciate the finer things in life, there's no denying the allure of an Aston Martin. The Aston Martin story begins in 1913, in a small London workshop. Two young engineers, Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford, shared a vision to create exceptional cars that combined exhilarating performance with exquisite craftsmanship. Their first creation, aptly named Aston Martin after Lionel's success at the Aston Clinton Hill climb, marked the birth of a legend. The early years were marked by a passion for racing, with Aston Martin quickly making a name for itself on the track. However, like many ambitious endeavors, the company faced its share of challenges, changing hands several times during the early 20th century. It was during this period of evolution that the foundations for Aston Martin's future success were laid. Little did Martin and Bamford know that their small London workshop would become the birthplace of a global automotive icon, forever synonymous with British luxury and sporting pedigree.